Hi, my name is Mike Acosta with another quick tip on using the MV-8000. Now, besides it being great for studio use, for production, remixing songs, for the DJ remix to the guy that's actually out playing live, it's also a great live piece. Now, besides us being out live in a club, being able to trigger off phrases and sequences from the MV, what if I told you that you can actually record your live DJ set and take advantage of the 40 gig internal hard drive, totally bypassing the 512 of RAM if you have it maxed out? That means we can actually have the MV-8000 recording for 2 or 3 hours at a time, recording an entire live DJ set from the audio inputs that are coming in on the back of the MV, and then later on taking it back home or to your studio and transferring it USB over to your computer, and you can have a live 3-hour set that you can listen to and do whatever it is that you like. Let's check it out. Now, the first thing we got to do is make sure that we have our DJ setup running into the analog inputs on the MV-8000. The next thing is putting the MV-8000 into mixdown mode. That's the trick. Putting it into mixdown mode is what allows the MV-8000 to record directly to the 40 gig hard drive and bypass the 512 of RAM if you have it expanded. First thing we do is we hit mastering. We'll select number 1 for mixdown and hit enter. And it'll ask you, do you want to enter mixdown mode? You said yes. Now that the MV is in mixdown mode, the first thing we do is hit the record button. And we'll have to give it a mixdown file name. For this instance, I'm going to leave the mixdown file name the way that it comes up as initial song mix 1. You can name the file whatever it is you like. We'll hit OK. Now the MV-8000 is ready to record. All we have to do is hit play. It's recording. And now start our DJ set. Once we're done with our set, all we have to do is hit stop, and the MV-8000 will ask you that the mixdown is finished and would you like to go to mastering. You can either say yes or not and master it later on. Whole point is, MV-8000 is great out for live performance. We can record live sets 2 or 3 hours at a time, recording directly to the 40 gig internal hard drive, bypassing the RAM. Another great feature for using the MV-8000 live.